Hello guys, today I'm back and today I'll be doing the 6 characteristics of being an entrepreneur versus an employee. So watch till the end because I'll be giving you two more bonuses. And if you get to like, share and subscribe, please do it now because I'll be bringing you more valuable contents. And let's get right into the first point. The first point is entrepreneurs, they have ridiculous work ethic. Ridiculous work ethic. All day, all night, all they think about is work. Whereas employee, they like to work a 9 to 5 job. They do hate working late hours. Well, no complaints. That's just being part of an employee. And the second characteristics of being an entrepreneur is they take huge risks, man. Massive risks. They have high tolerance in risk. High tolerance in risk, man. Even though there is a huge downfall, but it's inbuilt in their DNA. They like taking risks. Whereas an employee, he likes to stay in the comfort zone, don't want to go to the unknown, happy with the life. But no problem, okay? No problem with that. The third point of being an entrepreneur is high risk, high reward. Even though it might take 4-5 years, no income, but once they get it, once their idea, their work come through, big houses, travel a lot, impact the world, change people's life, the hot wife, well. Versus an employee, they like a good house, a steady paycheck, a good car, good education for their children, and once in a year, vacation. But no problem with that, okay? And then, the number 4 is they have limited income. Employees have limited income, man. They have limited income, whereas an entrepreneur, his income is unlimited. It all depends on the value that you provide to the people. It has no ceiling to the income. Whereas an employee, income is stick to the specialized thing that you know. It is based on that. And the number 5 characteristics of being an entrepreneur is they sacrifice it all, man. They are willing to sacrifice their friends, their family, their social circle, everything on the line so that they can make their dreams come true, their ideas happening. Well, are you that kind of a person? Do you have those characteristics? Or are you the employee? Hey man, it's not a problem if you're an employee or you're an entrepreneur. If you're happy with it, no problem, okay? And the number 6 of being an entrepreneur versus an employee is that entrepreneurs has many skills, man. They don't specialize in skill. They have to learn everything, generalized skills. They have to learn sales, marketing. They have to learn customer service. They have to learn money management, self-confidence. Whereas an employee has to be specialized only on one skill. Only on one skill, man. Employee only on one skill. But no problem with that, okay? And let me get right into the bonuses. Are you ready? Are you ready? And you guys still notice? Do you notice my haircut, my new haircut? My cousin brother, he keeps on telling me go get a new haircut because you look embarrassing on YouTube. Well, I just love making YouTube videos, man. That's why I just don't want to go get a haircut also. I just want to go make videos. So please guys, subscribe, like and share. I'll be giving you the 2 bonuses. What is this? Well, I bought this. Do I look ugly? Or do I look handsome? Please like, comment and share. And enough about me, let's get back into the 2 bonuses. The 2 bonuses is that entrepreneurs, they like to break rules. They break rules, man. They are unorthodox. If you are the crazy type, you have ridiculous work ethic, you always think about new ideas, you always seek opportunities, then definitely you are an entrepreneur. Whereas if are an employee, you cannot break rules. You have to follow the rules of the company. You have to follow the rules of the government, man. But no problem, you're getting a steady paycheck, so be happy. Be happy, man. And then, I'm coming to the last. The last bonus I'll be giving you is that freedom, baby. Entrepreneurs has freedom, lots of freedom. They have freedom with time, freedom with schedule. They can do what they like, control their own time. But it might look shiny, okay? Oh, all these fancy stuff you get to do whatever you like, but it's not shiny. You have to put in the work first. You have to sacrifice first. Everything on the line, man. Oof. But I like being an entrepreneur, man. For me personally, I am built to be like that since the day I was born. So, no problem with it. But an employee, his time is controlled by the boss. His time is controlled by the company, by the corporation. He has to sell his time for money. Entrepreneurs, we sell value and we get money. But no problem if you are happy with being either. You can either be an entrepreneur or an employee. No problem with that, okay? Guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Support, man. And I'll be bringing more valuable contents. So stay tuned and that's it. I'm gone. Bye-bye.